What Kiri Tell Story is. Kiri Tell Story is a private social media network based in California, built for people who want a safe, inspiring, and empowering space to share and learn from real stories. It's not just another platform, it's a creative hub where Pacific voices, global storytellers, and everyday people can express their journeys without judgment or noise. Let's begin the story. During the First World War, many families were torn apart. Some never saw each other again. Some messages arrived too late. Some journeys were never finished. And now, another story begins. Long, long ago, somewhere in South America, a poor young man received a telegram. The message was brief, trembling with urgency. Someone was very ill and needed him. At sunrise the next day, he packed what little he had and walked to the nearest train station. He pushed through the crowd, determined, and managed to board a train heading toward the unknown. Inside a small, lonely cabin, the young man sat by himself. He unfolded the letter again, reading every line, trying to understand who had sent it, and why they needed him so desperately. The more he read, the clearer it became. Whoever wrote the letter was in grave pain. They needed him, not tomorrow, not next week, now. Exhausted from the long journey, the young man fell asleep. A sharp knock woke him. The fare collector stood at the door, hand outstretched. "Your ticket, please." The young man lowered his eyes. "I'm sorry, sir. I have no money. I'm traveling to someone who needs me more than anything. I must reach them." The fare collector sighed. "Well, boy, you'll have to get off at the next stop." The young man's voice cracked. "Please, sir. If I don't get there in time, something terrible might happen." But rules were rules. The train slowed. He stepped off with nothing but hope. For a day or two, he waited, watching the tracks, waiting for the right moment to continue his journey. The next morning, the same train returned. The same fare collector stepped down, holding two letters. The first letter read, "Son, I have waited for you for so long. I hoped you would come. But I received no answer." With shaking hands, the young man opened the second letter. "My son, by the time you read this, I will be gone. But I have left something for you. You must continue your journey." His eyes filled with tears. The world around him blurred.